it's a little more narrow. In the back of the green, it's a little wider. Okay, so your bailout area is where?
The back.
In the back. Okay. So what club you got in your hand?
6.
Okay, and how far do you hit the 6 iron?
Around 170, 175, around 170.
Okay, so what's the wind doing again?
It's going towards us.
Okay, so if you hit a 6 iron 175 and you've got wind against and you're at 175, do you have the right club in your hand?
No.
No. So I've got the 5 iron in your hand, and I'm going to have you put this one in here because we want to add at least 5 or 10 depending on the wind. Okay? All right, let's go ahead and try it. Now, when you have a bigger club in your hand, what's typically going to happen is you're going to swing easier, right? Knowing that you have a big club in your hand.
Yeah.
We don't want you swinging out of your shoes because when you swing harder, all you're going to do is increase your spray pattern. So we want to stay in sync with yourself. Nice, smooth, and easy. Take several practice swings and then go through your pre-shot routine. Trust your swing. Good ball. Good ball. Very well done. Let's go play it. Really, when we start talking about club head speed, your club has a balance, right? Balance is here, okay? Now, if you go to a mid-size grip or a jumbo grip, the grip is heavier, which means your balance may not be here anymore. It may be here because it's getting heavier and heavier and heavier. And so when you make this side of your club heavier, you're robbing from this side of the club. Are you following?
Yeah.
Now we want a happy balance. We want what is going to fit your hands because your hands and your grip are what connect you to this game. If your hands and the grip are not right, good luck trying to put this little bitty head on that little bitty ball. So we want to go with comfort. We want to go with what suits your game, your stature, your size. But we also we don't want to take away from the end of this club. Okay? So the heavier this side gets, the more you rob from this side. You follow it? So we don't want to rob too much. That's why no on a mid-size, but going to a double wrap probably suits you pretty well. You'll get a lot of feel with that multi-compound. Okay? Any questions, Brian? Okay. So before we start ordering that set of gloves, we'll really kind of know what grip we want to put on and get them ordered and sent to you. Okay? All right. I'm looking forward. I'm excited about getting a set of gloves with you. Okay? All right. So remember, we've in our chipping lesson, on the bump and run lesson, chipping's all about where you want the ball to land, not where you want the ball to finish. The type of chip shot that you decide to execute and the type of club that you just choose to execute it with will determine how the ball's going to finish. Bump and run is what you've decided to execute, and what club do you have in your hand?
Pitching wedge.
Going to do it with a pitching wedge. So tell me where you're going to land this golf ball to cozy it up to the hole.
Probably about halfway.
Halfway between you and the pin, or halfway between the edge of the green and the pin?
Me and the pin.
Okay, so that'll be about 5 feet on. Would you agree?
Yeah.
Okay. So no hitting the golf ball until you've taken at least 2 practice swings. Give yourself a chance to feel and visualize what you're trying to do. What I want you to do is give me a little bit more knee flex than normal because you've got one of the shortest clubs in your bag. Look at me here, William. And I want you to lean on your left foot, and I want you to stay on your left foot. Give me a 55-45 split with your body mass. I want you to lean on it and stay on it all the way back, all the way through, so you clip the golf ball nicely, okay?
Okay.
Remember, distance control is all about how far back you pull it, not how hard you hit it. Too much or too little? Big. Trust your swing. Now this is a marked improvement. Get in the hole. That is a marked improvement on what you used to do with your bump and run as of now, right? These small little techniques. I mean, you darn near chip that in for an eagle. I mean, you're just hanging on the edge, okay? How'd that feel to you?
Great.
Yeah, it looks very, very nice. It looks complete, and you look in control, and you look like you know what you're doing on that shot, okay? So remember, chipping's all about where you want the ball to land, not where you want the ball to finish, okay? The type of club that you use and the type of chip shot that you decide to execute will determine how that ball's going to finish. Excellent, excellent job.